Baruch Hashem, we're here with our own very dear Ephraim, where we just did the Siyum Hashas in one day, Baruch Hashem, and now we're doing the food distribution. So you see all the food behind us, Baruch Hashem, lots of food that we're going to be giving to orphans and widows here in Eretz Yisrael. We have half a dozen locations that we're going to be giving out food, and all of the Avrechim that completed the Shas today are all going to be giving money to buy food for the holidays, Baruch Hashem, for Sukkot. Baruch Hashem, it's amazing to see it live. You know, we saw the wire transfers, we saw the emails, we saw the videos, we saw a lot of things over the years. But now, to be part of it, to be involved in it live, is even more a blessing. All of you that are part of it, all of you that are partners with us, are much more meritorious and much more benefiting than you can possibly imagine. Much more than we've even said before, because when we see it live, it's a completely different world. Anyone that wants to be a continued partner with us, whether it's the current campaigns that we have for the major event that we have coming up in a couple of weeks, not just for the event, but for the food distribution that's going to happen at that time, and to give all of these Avrechim a very respectable sum of money to help them with the holidays and with their lives in general, and all of the other amazing things that the organization is doing. Please, you're welcome to do it. We have the bhshas.org or our regular website, BeEzrat HaShem.org, that you can contribute to. הקדוש ברוך הוא יברך אתכם בכל מכל כל, חיים ארוכים, שלמים, מלאים תורה, מצוות וגמית חסדים. נחת וברכה בכל מעשה ידיכם. כל טוב, and thank you very much for your partnership.
חזק וברוך הרב. בעזרת השם אני מבקש מהרב שיראה לכם את האיכות של הפירות. יש כאלה הרבה אנשים, הם עושים צדקה, אבל השם ירחם. העוף עצמו לא מסכים שיחלקו אותו. הפרי עצמו אומר, עזוב, אל תביא אותי, אתה רק מצייר את היתומים והאלמנות ואת הנזקקים. אני מבקש מהרב שיצלם לכם כמה תמונות מהאיכות של הפירות והירקות והסחורה הכי טובה שיש בשוק, ברמה הכי גבוהה של כשרות. תסתכלו בתמונות.
First off, we see that the people that we're buying from are committing not to violate Shabbat. No violation of Shabbat, no working on Shabbat. So we already know this is coming from a good place. Also, we know that these people are Shomrei Torah mitzvot, also the Shemitah. So we know that this is obviously food that we're allowed to eat. We also have kashriyot, even on the fruits, on the vegetables. It's not just and it's the best kashriyot, it's the best quality stuff. And this is one of the things that is very important to us, because we know that just because you're giving to people that are needy doesn't mean you have to give them stuff that's low quality just to save a few dollars. If you're already going to give with all your heart. And that's Baruch Hashem, one of the things we've always done. And BeEzrat Hashem will continue to do it with the partnership that you guys have contributed to over the years, and will continue to, BeEzrat Hashem. Everything is top quality. I'm getting hungry. But this is great to see.
אין אבוקדוים כמעט בשוק, אבל להם יש.
He says that there's barely any avocados in the shuk to now, in the markets now, but Baruch Hashem, all of these people will have it. So, Baruch Hashem. Amazing bananas, apples, all this good stuff, and of course meat's coming too. We can't keep the meat outside for long, so we have to put it in special trucks. But Baruch Hashem, good stuff, good quality stuff. Good quality food for good quality people. Baruch Hashem.